gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today, this guy's getting his car tuned and putting some meat on the wheels because this guy's on course. Wait till we get to the C63 AMG, you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. But before we do that, if you guys are new to the channel, 4,000 subscribers is nearing, I can feel it. And if we've already hit it at this point, then I want to say thank you because the support of the channel recently has been awesome. Keep it up, you guys are making me happy, make my heart feel warm. Appreciate it, for real. But today, the big task is getting the new tires and the tune on the C63, so that's what this video is all gonna be about. We're gonna go get the car right now, we're dropping it off to get the wheels put on, and then tuning it ourselves. So a little DIY tune action. What is the tune called?
Eurocharged V7.
We're expecting around 540 crank horsepower after the tune, so I don't know if we're gonna be doing any like before and after tests. We don't have a dyno or anything, so this isn't gonna be like one of those videos, but we're doing the install on the tune and then we're gonna take it out for a little field test, we'll say. That'll be fun. Watch the whole video. Click like while you're at it, helps out the algorithm. Yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah, impressive, sir.
Wider. Yeah.
These do look skinny. Any little bit of lubrication helps.
That's facts.
That's fact. You ever seen a skinny white boy struggle? This is it right here.
There you go.
Factory size or factory recommended size?
These is factory recommended size, and this is what we have now. It's a big tire. It looks like it's on there to me.
There's a drop center in the wheel where it's skinnier than this part, and it has to go down below that so the tire can go that way and go on, and then it all pops on.
Ah, that makes sense.
One.
Halfway
One
down.
down. Half an hour later.
This dude's tires look just like mine.
Putting like 80 PSI and like stand back.
That's what I had to do to mine. Like they were painters just like that trying to go on. And then they would...
That is how many ounces you want to put onto the tire. That means you got to put half an ounce there, so this is half an ounce. Each one of these is a quarter ounce. Take a little bit of cleaner. You clean the area where it wants it. Take your ounce and line it up towards the top there. There you are, right there. Slide it again. Should have 2 zeros there. There it is.
It's perfect.
Huge cloud of smoke after we put them on. Like, oh, I'll be back next week.
Burn through them all the way.
Throw a little wide angle action on there. Actually have some grip and some tread as well. These are 275s, yeah, right there. Ladies and gentlemen, the wheels are on. Tires, I should say. Tires are on the wheels. They are 275s. Quite the upgrade. What did you have before? They were
Nitto Invos 255 30R19s, and these are 275 30R19s, so they're
a little bit wider, a little bit more thick on the road. We're actually on the way to the shop right now to get this car tuned, so a lot is happening to the C63 in one day. Like we mentioned earlier, the tune should bring us up to about 540 crank. Yeah, we're almost at the shop, so we're gonna meet Mr. Doug. He's gonna get the computer out. Catch you there. Oh look, a tumbleweed. That's fun. What are we doing today, boys?
Tuning.
Tuning. We're downloading a car. Weather out there is looking a bit suspicious. I don't know.
Perfect for a tuned rear-wheel drive car on brand new tires. Yup, please connect your vehicle to a stabilized battery charger in order to use this serial protocol.
We got that.
Switch on the dashboard, check your connections, and press OK to continue. Alright, it's starting communication.
All right, while these guys are tuning the car, I'm gonna shave my face. Maybe I should start an outdoor channel or like living outside. Oh, why didn't I think of this? I'll just film myself doing it instead of using a car window as a mirror. Whoa. 200 IQ plays only. You probably can't even hear me because of the wind. It literally looks like we have a storm coming in. So I really hope that's not the case because we have to drive back 2 hours to school. So yeah, wish us luck, I guess. It's looking much better. Now we just gotta work on the hair. Haircut maybe this week. Now that that's over, let's check in on the tune action on the AMG, shall we? All right, where are we at, boys?
The file is installed, so I can take this off.
What does that mean?
That means it has been uploaded.
Woo! So she's tuned.
Oh yeah.
Correct.
All right, now what?
Good, right?
This man's backing with the hood up. Love the style. You're good, left. You're good, just back straight out. Okay, ladies and gents, at this moment, the car is officially tuned. I'm gonna be sitting in the back seat and we're gonna take her out for a little first spin.
Oh my lord. Does that sound delicious?
Was that you downshifting?
Yeah.
It just sounds good. Oh, there's Sheriff right there. Oh, why does it sound like that?
Damn!
Holy mackerel.
That sounds nuts, the downshifts are...
Yeah. So we just did a little quick drive and oh my gosh, the downshifts I think are the biggest like audible difference. Carson, give it a quick rev. Wow. Yeah, that's nuts. Let's get out of here before we get arrested, shall we?
How'd that sound though?
Loud. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there are definitely some big differences from previously in the video. One of the biggest, obviously, is my facial hair because I shaved. Secondly, though, the C63 has quite a bit more horsepower. What is it, 89 to be exact? We talked about this earlier, but it's 541 horsepower. Or 540. Sorry, I don't want to mislead everybody by saying the wrong numbers. 540 crank horsepower. The difference is, you notice it. It's very noticeable. So honestly, like, we didn't do any dyno before and after numbers, but sitting in the car, feeling it before and after is absolutely, it's there. Let me tell you right now. And the downshifts and exhaust note even changed, which is crazy to me. I honestly, like, mine didn't change when I tuned my S5, but this car, it's noticeable. From the outside, we did a couple like flyby clips and you couldn't really hear it because it was honestly too loud for the mic in my phone to pick up. And the car was like 15 feet away. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. More C63 content in the future. Subscribe if you guys are new and want to see more of this sort of stuff. Until next time, guys, adios, take care.